Good morning, students. Our next topic in chapter 2 is how strong are acid or basic solutions. बेटा इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि किस तरीके से हम पता लगाते हैं how we find out that how strong are acid or basic solutions. We have acid H2SO4, we have acid HCl, we have citric acid that is in lemon juice or oxalic acid in tomato. Then how will you differentiate them, that which one is strong and which one is weak if you are given? So in order to distinguish them, we have universal indicator, which is a green colored solution. I will show you better. यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर ग्रीन कलर का सॉल्यूशन है. यही ग्रीन कलर जो आपके ब्लैक बोर्ड ग्रीन बोर्ड का नजर आ रहा है. A mixture of several indicators that show different colors at different concentration of H positive ion. ये universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. कई indicators का mixture है, वो different color दिखाता है different concentration of H positive ions में. अब अगर मैं बेस लेती हूँ, इसकी जगह एक बेस भी ले लो NaOH, तो सभी में H पॉजिटिव आयन है. मीन्स H पॉजिटिव आयन इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. NaOH बेस में भी होते हैं बट इन लेस क्वांटिटी बेटर, बिकॉज बेस आर मेड बाय डिजॉल्विंग इन वाटर एंड वाटर हैज H पॉजिटिव एज वेल as OH negative ion when it ionize. Okay, so with the help of universal indicator, if we take many acid or bases in different test tubes, and in all the test tubes if we drop 2 drops of universal indicator in each test tube, we are putting 2 drops, all will show different colors. So how with the help of colors you will identify that which one is strong and which one is weak acid or which one is base? In order to check this, we have a pH scale whose range is from 0 to 14. pH scale is a scale used for measuring H positive ion concentration. P here means potence, potence means power of H positive ions. So this scale ranges from 0 to 14. At the center 7, its value is 7, which is neutral. If it is pH is more than 7, then the solution is basic, means the range of base is more than 7 and up to 14, and range of acid is less than 7 and is up to 0. As the pH decreases, H positive ion concentration increases. जैसे जैसे pH कम होती है, H पॉजिटिव की कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज होती है. मीन्स जैसे जैसे आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आओगे आपका एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जाएगा. मीन्स जितना एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग है उतने H पॉजिटिव आयन कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है. ऐसे ही जितना बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग है उतने OH नेगेटिव आयन कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है. बेस आल्सो हैज H पॉजिटिव आयन कंसंट्रेशन बट इन वेरी लेस क्वांटिटी. Acids also have OH negative ion concentration but in very less quantity. Now we have pH paper. I am also having here beta, you can see this is pH paper, yellow in color beta, you can see the color, and on the pH strip different colors are shown here beta, and the range is also written 1 2 3 4 up to 14. It is written here, you can see, look here, 1 2 3 4 it is written on this up to 7, and then from 8 to 14 is written on this side. Means 1 has red color and 14 has dark blue color. Open page 26 of your book, you can see this strip 0 to 14 dark red in color. Here you can see here one has very dark red color So if I dip this pH strip like this, I have taken one pH strip and I am having nitric acid. Let me dip in it. You can see the color. It is red in color. You can see here beta. Nitric acid is a strong acid. It has more H positive ion concentration. And let me take one more strip and let me touch it with lemon. It becomes slightly, let me take one more. You can see it become slightly red in color. Light red color means its pH is less than the pH of this acid. Less than means more. Means nitric acid is dark red in color. Its pH is near about 0 and the pH of lemon is near about 4. So pH ranges from 0 to 14. Acids have pH less than 7. If the acid is strong, it has more H positive ion concentration and it will show red color. Lemon is, the acid present in lemon is citric acid, which is weak and it has less H positive ion concentration. So it shows slightly orange color. It lies near about 4. You can see in your book. Lemon juice has 2 pH. Means it will comes out to be 2.2 something. Means here its color will be shown. Okay. Now I am having base also. Let me take one more strip and dip it in. I am having detergent made by NaOH, sodium hydroxide. You can see the blue color means in base the color become blue. Means as soon as the pH increases from after 7 के बाद जैसे जैसे pH increase होती है, the base become strong. And if pH is less than 7 and it keep on decreasing, the acid become strong. Means जितना strong acid है उतनी pH कम है, जितना strong base है उतनी pH ज़्यादा है. ठीक है बेटा. वीक बेस है तो उसकी pH इधर आएगी और वीक एसिड है तो उसकी pH इधर आएगी और जैसे जैसे वीक होता जाएगा उसकी pH इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. मीन्स एसिड वीक होगा तो pH इंक्रीज होगी. और वाटर के अंदर जो pH होती है उसका कलर ग्रीन होता है बेटा. लेट मी शो यू. वाटर के अंदर आप देख सकते हैं स्लाइटली ग्रीन है, हल्का सा येलो नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ग्रीन है इसमें. मीन्स अगर वाटर प्योर होगा, प्योर वाटर हैज pH 7 and is green in color. So from here we come to know that acids have pH, acids की pH less than 7, base pH greater than 7, and neutral solution like water has pH equal to 7. So this was all about pH scale, which is used for measuring H positive ion concentration, and pH is simply a digit which help to check us that how strong are acid or base. So strong acid and weak acid, like this same strong base, weak base. Strong acid have more H positive ion concentration and weak acids have less H plus ion concentration. Is it clear? In the same way, Strong base has more OH negative ion concentration and weak base has less OH negative ion concentration.